Hey, let's pause for a second and imagine what it actually feels like to play at the level you've been chasing. Let's talk about the Aqua. This is for the kind of person who doesn't just install games, you demand them to run with clarity, speed, and authority. You know the frustration of hitching frame rates, of loading screens that linger, of moments where your skills should shine but your system holds you back. You're past tolerating good enough. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. Builds this capable don't sit in stock very long once enthusiasts realize how well-rounded they are. You probably knew it was time for an upgrade the moment your last system started showing its limits. Maybe a boss fight stuttered, maybe textures took too long to load, or your stream felt sluggish while you tried to multitask. That sinking feeling, that your hardware wasn't keeping pace with you, that's when you realize you've outgrown compromise. The first time you fire this up, there's this rush of confidence. The system doesn't just boot, it responds. Frames stay steady. Load times shrink. You stop anticipating lag and start anticipating wins. That emotional shift, from waiting on your PC to trusting it, feels like freedom. Once you feel that level of performance, anything less feels like an anchor you don't want anymore. Picture your real sessions with it, ultra settings in your favorite AAA games that hold high frame rates without breaking a sweat. Open worlds that render with smoothness instead of blocky hesitation. Content creation workflows that actually keep pace with your ideas, not lagging behind them. Even everyday tasks feel snappy, because a PC that powerful doesn't do fine, it does fluid. But it's not just about raw numbers. It's about presence. You don't just see motion, you feel it. You don't wait for assets to load, you experience the moment. That smoothness becomes part of how you react, how you compete, how you win. That's not performance you read, it's performance you live. Don't expect pricing or availability to stay steady. High-caliber systems with premium CPU and GPU combos plus fast storage get scooped up quickly when gamers start building rigs that actually match their ambition. If you're hesitating because it feels like a big step, that's exactly why it's worth it. Extra power isn't indulgent, it's assurance. Assurance that your PC isn't just ready for today's titles, it's ready for whatever comes next. Here's something most people don't expect: how natural it feels to just play. It doesn't overwhelm you. It works with you. It keeps up with you. Performance that feels instant, visuals that feel smooth and crisp, responsiveness that feels connected, multitasking that feels effortless, gameplay that feels confidence-driven. It's not a compact, lightweight build. Top-tier power requires proper cooling eventually. The comparison loop just quiets down. You stop cycling through specs and choose what already feels right, the build that matches your ambitions, your playstyle, and your standards. Check the price, see what's available, and trust that instinct nudging you forward. Don't let this upgrade become one you delay and later wish you'd made sooner.